of filming? Look to camera. Hey guys, what's up? It's Mac and Jack. Here. Jack, honey. Sit still. Sit down, okay? Hey guys, what's up? It's Mac and Jack. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new, thank you so much for stopping by to watch this video. Don't forget to like it, comment, and subscribe. Today's video is going to be extremely easy, and since we're in such a weird state right now with the world and just the pandemic going on, I am out of a lot of things and my craft store is closed, but I had this craft stuff already. The stuff I got is from Dollar Tree, of course. Huge shocker, right? The project is going to be a butterfly tiara, as you can see from the title of the video. Let me show you guys what I got. I got this sparkle mesh, so it's really pretty. And then I got this adorable tiara, and then this blue lace ribbon, and then this gorgeous butterfly. And it's got a clip on the back, so I may clip it or glue it. I'm not sure yet. But yeah, this is not going to take long at all, and this project only costs $4. As you guys know, I love to do Dollar Tree DIYs because they're just fun and easy. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. For this first part, I'm cutting out my strips, and they are 20 inches long, and it worked out perfectly because I had just enough. This part, you can get really creative with it, and what I decided to do with my mesh is just loop it around the ends of the tiara and the headband of the tiara at the top, so it would be like a little veil. Now it's time to put your butterfly on, and I actually did not have to glue it, so I just clipped it at the top. Now I'm taking my blue lace ribbon and I'm just going to loop it around the headband of the tiara, and you can do whatever you want, but I just thought it would be a nice touch instead of looking at that cheap plastic. When you reach the end, just cut it off, use some fabric glue or craft glue, and press it on and hold it. I'll do the same thing on the other side of the tiara. Ta-da! So I am done with the tiara, and I have to say I'm actually more pleased with it than I thought I would be. It doesn't take long at all. You guys saw, like, it's very, very simple. But if you wanted to do your own, you know, just get creative with it. Use different colors. You can thread the tulle through here. I tried to do that, but I just didn't like how it looked. So I just looped it around, as you guys saw. And so it's like a little veil all around, which I really like. And the butterfly is a nice touch. Very springy looking. And then of course the lace wrapped around here, just to give it that extra, you know, creative touch instead of just the plastic showing. Now you can see this beautiful ribbon. I think Jack likes it too. Be creative with it. Let me know if you decide to do one. I would love to see it. I hope you guys enjoyed this super easy tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching, and Jack and I will see you in our next video.